Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is the next topic. In here we can see we will be able to see the simple cubic lattice structure. In this particular case I have drawn a particular cubic lattice structure, primitive cube structure in here, right? And afterwards we can calculate the packing efficiency. So here in this way we can say that there will be half of this and R plus R, that will be equal to 2R. Hence we can write A is equal to 2R. This is primitive cube, This is primitive cube. Okay, so in this particular case that will be A is equal to 2R, right? And now the volume of a cubic unit cell, volume of a particular cubic unit cell, that will be equal to A cube, that is 2R cube, hence that will be 8R cube, right? Now each unit cell in this particular section will contain one single atom, right? In this particular case, then volume occupied by unit cell, how much will it be? 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now let's calculate the packing efficiency. So what would be the packing efficiency? Volume of one atom, कितना एटम है इसके अंदर? एक ही एटम अरेंज हो पाएगा, ठीक है? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन एटम इनटू 100 by volume of a cubic unit cell. Okay, volume of a cubic unit cell. Okay, hence it will be 4 by 3 कितना आएगा into 100 by, in this particular case कितना आएगा, hence 8R cube. इसको अगर टोटल कैलकुलेट करेंगे so it will be around 4. This will be the calculation of packing efficiency for a particular unit cell. Okay, primitive unit cube. So let's look the density. Let's look at the density of a unit atom, and afterwards we will try to do certain maths. Okay. Now let's move on to density. In this particular case, we will see that the volume of a particular unit cell, is equal to A cube, and hence mass of unit cell will be equal to the number of atoms into mass of each atom. So number of atoms को हम लोग ले सकते हैं m के हिसाब से, z के हिसाब से number of atoms is z, and that will be equal to m, right? Hence in this particular case we can have total mass of atom present in unit cell, m is equal to capital M by Na. Here Na हम लोग जो लिखते हैं, so this total will be the molar mass. It will be known as the molar mass. Now let's go for the density of a unit cell. So density कैसे निकालना है? Density, how we can get the density? We know that density is mass per volume. So density is mass by volume. Hence, in this way we can calculate. यहाँ पे mass कितना था? Zm, Z into m, and volume कितना था? इसमें AQ, है ना? इसमें जो volume था that was AQ. Hence, we can write that in particular case D is equal to Zm by AQ, or we can modify this one into molar mass, then Zm into capital A by this one AQ into, इसमें कितना था? M is equal. Okay, so in this particular section it is told that in a FCC structure we have a cell age of 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 and 8.92 gram per mole is the density, and the total number of atoms in this case is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That's why it is calculated at 63.1 gram per mole. Okay.